Downloading 11.exe. Download complete. Now injecting 11.exe into the real tag base. Injection complete. Running 11.exe.
There is no escape.
This is a special message from the Gorilla Tag Ghost community. We have seen the way you have been acting across different servers. We don't like the way you have been acting.
This is all your fault. There is no one to blame here apart from yourself. You could have stopped it if you had just left. But you didn't. I really didn't want to have to do this. But you leave me no choice. Starting rugby the timer here.
This is your fault. You could have saved us. You could have made everything right. Why do you have to torture us? Why? Lemming did this to us. We could have been saved. Lemming tortured us. He led us to our fate. And now, Daisy09, TBBB, and J3BU have left us. Even Tierliner has left us. Please help us. Please help us.